Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the little gold notes. So you've probably been seeing them everywhere in your notes tab. If you're not seeing them, then I don't know, because I've seen them like everywhere. So go to your messages here, and in your notes select note. Here the most important key of this whole thing is you have to have the word gold in it. So I'm just going to type in Gold Rush, because I just don't want to post just gold. This is a Taylor Swift song. If you have not listened to it, it's a really good song. Anyways, just press share and you'll see the note will turn gold. If you remove it, it's not going to be gold anymore. I hope they add other colors, because I would love a pink one. But that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.